Assalamualaikum friends, I am Mehak Fatima. Today we are going to discuss the most important topic of accountancy course. So dear friends, in this video we are going to learn the accounting standard numbers with their title. First of all, you have to know what is accounting standard. See, accounting standards are principles, policies and practice that are followed while preparing and presenting the financial statements. Why we should learn accounting standard? To solve the following things: recognition, measurement, presentation and disclosure. How we have to what are the things that we have to recognize, on what basis should we measure, that is a measurement, how we have to present it, and how we have to disclose it in the financial statements. So these are the main points of the accounting standard. Let's learn the accounting standard number with their title. So are you ready? Let's get started. So the first accounting standard, EAS denotes here accounting standard, and they are the numbers and they are the titles. Let's start. Accounting standard 1, disclosure of accounting policies. Accounting standard 1, disclosure of accounting policies. Accounting standard 1, disclosure of accounting policies. Close your eyes. Repeat with me. Accounting standard 1, AS1, disclosure of accounting policies. 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 So friends, I call it as read the thing by seeing thrice and close your eyes and memorize it for 3 times so that you get a reading of 6 times at the same time, and you will never forget the relevant section number or accounting standard number. So you have to do it each time. When you are doing it for first time, when you are having a first reading of for the numbers, you have to do it each time for each number. But as in when you proceed, you get a hold on the numbers and the title, so it's not required to read it six times. Just have a glance over it on a daily basis so that you will never forget it. So let's continue. So accounting standard 2 is valuation of inventory. 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 Close your eyes. Accounting standard 2 is valuation of inventory. So the next is, you have to close your eyes. You have to repeat this exercise if you are a first reader, or else you can just glance it over. AS2, valuation of inventory. AS2, valuation of inventory. AS2, valuation of inventory or inventories, you can say. But as per the standard, you have to use inventories because we value the raw material, finished goods and work in progress. So preferably use the word inventories. AS2, valuation of inventory. So the next is AS3. This is cash flow statement. AS3, cash flow statement. AS3, cash flow statement. Close your eyes. AS3, cash flow statement. AS3, cash flow statement. AS3, cash flow statement. AS3, cash flow statement. Remember the first one, disclosure of accounting policies. 2, valuation of inventory. 3, cash flow statement. Next is accounting standard number 4, contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. What basically this section is saying, this accounting standard is saying, it's saying what are the contingency, that is an event which depends on a happening or non-happening of an event. It is called contingency. What are the contingencies and the events which occur after the balance sheet date? that is your 31st March of the relevant year, what are the things that occurs such as contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date? You have to do recognition, measurement, presentation and disclosure as per accounting standard 4. So let's repeat. AS4, contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. AS4, contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. AS4, contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. Recall it by yourself. I'll give you 5 seconds. Hope you have done it. So the next is AS5. AS5 talks about the net profit or loss for the period, prior period items and changes in accounting policies. Here we can break down it into 3 parts. AS5, net profit or loss for the period. What is the net profit or loss for the period? This is the first breakdown. The second is prior period items. Prior period items, and the last part is and changes in accounting policy. So in AS5 we have 3 parts: net profit or loss for the period, prior period items and changes in accounting policies. Let's repeat. AS5, net profit or loss for the period, prior period items and changes in accounting policies. AS5, net profit or loss for the period, prior period items and changes in accounting policy. Last one time. AS5, net profit or loss for the period, prior period items and changes in accounting policy. Read and repeat it again and again. Only then you can excel it. Just if you see it once, it will not happen. You have to do it again and again. So make sure that if you are a first reader, make sure that you follow this technique and retain it in your memory. So the next is AS7. AS7 is construction contract. AS7 is CC. AS7 is CC. Yeah, CC is construction contract. AS7 construction contract. AS7 construction contract. AS7 construction contract. My dear friends, what you have to do now? You have to close your eyes. Yes. AS7 construction contracts. AS7 construction contracts. AS7 construction contracts. So let's move. The next standard is AS9. So it is AS9, revenue recognition. AS9, revenue recognition. AS9, revenue recognition. Yes, you have to close your eyes. AS9, revenue recognition. AS9, revenue recognition. AS9, revenue recognition. Simple, right? See, after AS5, we directly came to AS7. You may be wondering, where is AS6? It has been omitted. The standards which are not mentioned, the number which are not mentioned, please don't worry, they have been omitted. So you have to remember only these many standards which I am going to further share with you all. And please note, you have to quote proper standard number with their title. You can't interchange. Okay? Yes. So we learned AS9, revenue recognition. Now AS10. AS10 is very simple. PPE. AS10 PPE. AS10 PPE. What is PPE? Property, plant and equipment. AS10 property, plant and equipment. AS10 property, plant and equipment. AS10 property, plant and equipment. Hope you all have closed your eyes. AS10 property, plant and equipment. AS10 property, plant and equipment. So we have learned from first AS to 10 except AS6 and AS8. which have been omitted. So the next ES is the effect of, so the next ES is the effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. What is the ES number? 11. ES 11 is the effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. What are the effects of changes in the foreign exchange rate is done by AS 11. AS 11 tells what are the things you have to do when there is a foreign exchange rate changes. The effect of changes in foreign exchange rates. The effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. AS 11. AS 11, the effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. The effect of changes in foreign exchange rate, AS 11. So if I see the number, you have to see the title. Okay, let's play. AS 11. Yeah, correct. The effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. The effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. What is the AS number? 11. You are going good. So next is AS 12. AS 12, AS 13 and AS 14. Only you have to remember, first will come the government, second will come the investment, third will come the amalgamation. I'm just saying you 1 to 3, like I'm not saying you the AS number. I'm just giving you reference for your easy memory. So AS 12 is accounting for government grants. AS 12 is accounting for government grants. AS 12 is accounting for government grants. AS 12 accounting for government's grants. AS 12 accounting for government grants. AS 12 accounting for government grants. Accounting for government grants. AS 12. AS 12 accounting for government grants. Hope you got a good hold on it. Same. AS 13. 13 investment. Same. Accounting for investment. AS 13 accounting for investment. AS 13 accounting for investment. Hope you are doing the technique. After reading thrice, you have to close your eyes and just listen to me and repeat with me, okay? AS 13 accounting for investment. AS 13 accounting for, correct, investment. AS 13 accounting for investment. Accounting for investment. AS 13. AS 13 accounting for investment. Take a deep breath. So now we'll move to the next AS, that is AS 14. What is AS 14? AA. AS 14 is AA. Accounting for amalgamation. AS 14 is accounting for amalgamation. AS 14 is accounting for amalgamation. AS 14 is accounting for amalgamation. What you have to do now? You have to close your eyes. AS 14 accounting for amalgamation. AS 14 accounting for amalgamation. AS 14 accounting for amalgamation. Accounting for amalgamation. AS 14. AS 14 accounting for amalgamation. So the next is accounting standard 15. Now all the chotu accounting standards, okay? AS 15 is employee benefit. AS 15 is employee benefits. The benefits which are given to employees, the accounting treatment for it is shown in AS 15. Correct. AS 15 employee benefit. AS 15 employee benefit. AS 15 employee benefit. AS 15 employee benefit. So the next is AS 16. AS 16 is borrowing cost. 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 Now what you have to do? Close your eyes. AS 16 borrowing cost. AS 16 borrowing cost. Borrowing cost. AS 16. AS 16 borrowing cost. Okay, let's move to the next. Now we have AS7. AS7 is segment reporting. AS7 is segment reporting. See, some techniques I will share with you, okay? So 7 stands from yes. 17 has 7 which start from yes. So segment reporting. Easy to remember, right? Segment reporting. Segment reporting. Yes, 17 segment reporting. Yes, 17 segment reporting. Yes, 17 segment reporting. Next one is very easy, okay? Easily you'll remember. AS 18. AS 18. What is the legal age to vote? 18. So when you become 18, you can vote to the parties. So related party disclosure. Yes, 18 related party disclosures. Yes, 18 related party disclosure. Yes, 18 related party disclosure. You may seem that some examples are lame, some techniques are silly. But believe me, only this will help you in the examination. So just relax and chill, okay? Yes, 18. Come on, you have to see me. Yes, 18. Related party disclosure. Okay, let's move to the next accounting standard number, which is AS 19. AS 19. What is AS 19? Leases. AS 19 leases. AS 19 lease. Leases. AS 19 leases. Leases. AS 19. AS 19 leases. Leases. AS 19. And the AS 20 is EPS. What is EPS? AS 20. EPS. Earnings per share. Earnings per share. Yes, 20 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 earnings per share. See, sometimes I may go beyond 6 times, okay? Please don't mind. I can't count, right? So I feel like at that point of time, sometimes you may need less than 6 times. Some standards are big, so there you need more than 6 times. Please cooperate and you will get adjust to it, okay? So yes, 20 is earnings per share. Yes, 18 is you become legally eligible to vote. 18 years to a party, so related party disclosure. Right, nice, na? Yes, 18 is related party disclosure. 19 is leases. 20 is EPS. EPS is earning per share. So, next we have, okay, AS 20. What is AS 20? Earning per share. Yes, 21. We have consolidated financial statement. Yes, 21 consolidated financial statement. CFS. Mind you guys, there is AS3 also, which if you make it short, it will also become CFS, cash flow statement. Do not try this. Saying CF, say full form with me, okay? AS 21 consolidated financial statement. AS 21 consolidated financial statement. AS 21 consolidated financial statement. Consolidated financial statement. AS 21. AS 21 consolidated financial statement. AS 21 consolidated financial statement. Okay. So next is AS 22. AS 22. AS 22 is accounting for taxes on income. It's basically telling you about the income tax. They just change the words, right? So please remember, as the title is here, do not interchange the words, because the title should be mentioned as per the specified, as they are specified. Do not change it. So AS 22 is accounting for taxes on income. AS 22 What did I say? ES 22, right? Okay. ES 22 is accounting for taxes on income. ES 22 is accounting for taxes on income. ES 22 is accounting for taxes on income. What income you will earn for the tax, what accounting treatment you have to give, this is specified by AS 22. AS 22 last time, please. Accounting for taxes on incomes. Very good. So next, AS 23. AS 23 is accounting for investment. What is AS 13? Accounting for investment. So then see, AS 13 and AS 23 is somewhat having some similar name. It's not the same accounting treatment. This name 13 means accounting for investment. AS 23 is accounting for investment, but it is further continued in associates in consolidated financial statement. Oh, you have here two years combination. One is AS 13. See, AS 13 is what? Accounting for investment. Now AS 23 is what? Accounting for investments in associates in consolidated financial statement. AS 23 accounting for investments in associates in consolidated financial statement. Okay, what is the AS number for consolidated financial statement? Correct, AS 21. Do not get confused. Just I'm trying to give a little link so that you can easily remember. Okay, even if you don't follow this, you may have your other great plans, you can share me in the comment box. Okay, I'll also follow it. AS 23 accounting for investments in associates in consolidated financial statement. Last time from my side, okay, you can repeat on your own. AS 23 is accounting for investments in associates in consolidated financial statement. Okay, next we have AS 24. AS 24, oops, I'll adjust it here. AS 24 is discontinuing operation. AS 24 is discontinuing operation. AS 24 is discontinuing operation. AS 24 discontinuing operation. Discontinuing operation. AS 24. AS 24 discontinuing operation. AS 24 discontinuing of operations. Okay. Now we have come to AS 25. AS 25 is very easy. What is AS 25? Interim financial reporting. 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 Repeat, AS 25? Interim financial reporting. AS 25 interim financial reporting. Interim financial reporting AS 25. AS 25 interim financial reporting. Interim financial reporting AS 25. Okay, next. AS 26. That is intangible assets. What is intangible assets? Something which you cannot see, which you cannot touch, but as per the essay that you can certainly feel. For example, goodwill, patent, copyright, license, franchise, know-how. These are the intangible assets. Okay. 26 intangible assets. 26 intangible asset. AS 26 intangible asset. Intangible assets AS 26. Intangible asset AS 26. AS 26 intangible assets. So the next is AS 27. FR of interest in joint ventures. See, in just one line I have condensed it. FR is nothing but your financial reporting, okay? AS 27. AS 27, yeah. AS 27 is financial reporting of interest in joint ventures. How do you report interest in joint ventures? That is your financial reporting of interest in joint ventures. What is the accounting standard number for this? AS 27. Financial reporting of interest in joint ventures. Financial reporting of interest in joint ventures. Shortly you can say FR of interest in joint ventures. Okay, FR of interest in joint ventures. AS 27. Financial reporting of interest in joint ventures. Last time. Financial reporting of interest in joint ventures is SA. Is it SA? No, it is AS. Accounting standard. It is AS 27. Okay, we have come to the end of the accounting standards relevant for us. Now, the AS 28 is impairment of asset. AS 28. 8 impairment of asset. AS 28 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 impairment of asset. Next, AS 29 provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent asset. Somewhere you have come up across the word of contingent. Where was it? AS 4. Yeah, contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date, right? So AS 29 says provisions, contingent liabilities. You may be having the habit of saying assets and liabilities, but please pay attention. It is contingent liabilities first and then it is contingent asset. So provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent asset. AS 29 provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent asset. Okay. Let's recall all the accounting standard number ones. Can we do it? Okay. So AS1 disclosure of accounting policies. 2. Valuation of inventories. 3. Cash flow statement. 4. Contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. 5. We have 3 parts. Net profit or loss for the period, prior period items and changes in accounting policies. 7. CC construction contract. 9. Revenue recognition. 10. Property, plant and equipment. 11. The effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. 12. Accounting for government grants. 13. Accounting for investment. 14. Accounting for amalgamation. 15. Employer benefit. 16. Borrowing cost. 17. 7 is segment reporting. 18. You become legally eligible to vote, so related party disclosure. 19. Leases. 20. EPS, earning per share. 21. Consolidated financial statements. 22. Taxes on income, that is accounting for taxes on income. 23. Accounting for investments in associates in consolidated financial statements. 24. Discontinuing operation. 25. Interim financial reporting. 26. Intangible asset. 27. Financial reporting of interest in joint ventures. 28. Impairment of asset. 29. Provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent asset. Friends, sometimes you may feel that you will forget all this, but remember me, whenever you feel it, just play this video. All your accounting standard numbers with their title will be in your mind and you will be easily able to remember it. So if you like the video and find it helpful, please like the video, comment me in your review in the comment section, and you can also suggest me topics on which I should upload the videos. Subscribe the channel to get the latest update of my videos, which will be very helpful. Share with your friends. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.